Good afternoon, class 12. Let's start. Preparation of chloroform from ethyl alcohol and acetone. So first, I'll be discussing about the ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol or acetone is treated with a suspension of bleaching powder, and bleaching powder, it provides chlorine and calcium hydroxide. Okay. Now from ethanol, if we come, first of all, ethanol has to get oxidized to acetaldehyde. So first step is oxidation of ethanol. Next is after oxidation of ethanol to acetaldehyde, chlorination of acetaldehyde. This one. Okay, now this one, this trichloroacetaldehyde or chloral, this will be reacting with calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide, this one, 2 molecules I'm taking. So 2 molecules of chloroform plus calcium formate. This one. Calcium formate is formed. This is your hydrogen. Okay. And chloroform. Now next we come preparation from acetone. Now in case of acetone, the oxidation step is not required. So we are going to directly start from the chlorination step. So chlorination of acetone. This one. Now next we will be treating this with calcium hydroxide. So same pattern, 2 chloroform plus the respective calcium salt. The salt form will be calcium acetate. This one, calcium acetate and chloroform. Okay. So this is under preparation of chloroform. Next we move to the chemical properties. First property is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. So we are going to treat it with a base NaOH. Since I am having 3 chlorine atoms, so I will be using 3 molecules of a base. So Cl will be replaced by OH. It's basically nucleophilic substitution occurring. Now this step, water molecule moves out. So what do we get? H formic acid. Since the medium is alkaline, so I'll be getting salt. This is the product on hydrolysis of chloroform. Next is on nitration. Now nitration with concentrated nitric acid forms nitrochloroform. This one, nitration of chloroform. So nitration means obviously I need nitric acid for that purpose. This one. So water will be moving out. This one, H from chloroform and OH from this nitric acid. So minus H2O, and we are going to get the addition product. So Cl. Okay. NO2. Right. Now this is an insecticide. Its name is chloropicrin. Now with silver powder, chloroform forms acetylene. If I write the reaction, chloroform, silver powder, heat, I'm going to get acetylene plus 6 AgCl. This one. Next, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. It's an important reaction which is shown by phenols. So phenols, this is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Phenol when treated with chloroform alkali. What is the product that is obtained? Temperature is 60 degrees centigrade. Product is this one, salicylaldehyde, right? Plus KCl, sorry, not KCl, it will be NaCl. I have taken NaOH base, so it will be NaCl. Okay, so 3 NaOH, okay, and 2 H2O. So this is overall balanced reaction. Left hand side I am having phenol plus chloroform plus 3 molecules of the base, and then this is my right hand side product. Okay, next, chloroform also respond to carbylamine reaction. Now what is carbylamine reaction? CH3NH2 plus chloroform plus, I am taking this one as KOH. Heat, what I'm getting isocyanide. I've taken amine, 1 degree amine, that is methylamine, chloroform, and this one 3 KOH. These are the product. Isocyanide with an offensive smell is obtained over here. Okay, so that's it for chloroform. Okay, thank you class 12.